It's a proficient hunter and a tenacious survivor. Yet it has no brain, no heart, no blood, and no means of locomotion beyond the winds and currents that carry it across the sea. It is the Portuguese man-of-war, and it has one formidable asset. Thousands of stinging tentacles that unleash a venomous fire on prey and enemies. Portuguese man-of-wars float in waters off both Central American coasts, in the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. They are not jellyfish. In fact, they're not even a single organism. They consist of 4 separate animal colonies called polyps. Each group of polyps fulfills a specific role: the float, digestive system, reproductive system, and the tentacles. They dangle beneath the float, sometimes reaching 30 meters below the surface, hanging like a deadly web in the path of fish and other sea creatures. And these weapons do not discriminate.